Hello! Today we're diving into a comprehensive overview and breakdown of Rytr, an AI writing tool designed to streamline content creation. We will explore its features, benefits, and limitations to help you understand if it is the right tool for your content needs. Rytr is a lightweight, browser based AI writing assistant, perfect for individuals and small businesses seeking speed, ease of use, and affordability in their content generation process. It is designed to be lean and distraction free, making content creation efficient. It helps users generate various content types, from emails and blogs to ads, quickly transitioning from a blank page to a working draft. This includes everything from initial ideas to structured outlines and complete sections. Rytr is particularly beneficial for freelancers and solo creators needing low cost, fast, short form content. Its efficiency allows them to produce more content in less time, directly impacting their productivity and income. Small business owners and solopreneurs can leverage it for quick social posts, engaging emails, and compelling product descriptions, saving valuable time and budget. This allows them to focus on other critical aspects of their business. Beginner to intermediate bloggers and content marketers will find it useful for generating blog outlines, crafting meta descriptions, and sparking content ideation. It helps overcome writer's block and provides a solid starting point for their articles. Non native English speakers can greatly benefit from its rephrasing and grammar tools to polish their communication, ensuring their content is clear, professional, and grammatically correct. This feature is invaluable for improving written fluency. Rytr offers over 40 use cases or templates, covering everything from blog sections to email marketing and social media captions. These structured templates simplify the content creation process across diverse platforms and formats. It includes a native plagiarism checker with 50 checks per month on the unlimited plan and 100 on the premium plan. This integrated feature helps ensure the originality and integrity of the generated content. The tool supports over 35 languages, though the free and unlimited plans are restricted to a single language selection. For multi-language support, the premium plan is required, offering greater flexibility for global content creators. The workflow is straightforward. Users set parameters like language and tone, choose a use case, input specific details, generate content, and then edit and polish the output. This systematic approach makes content creation accessible and manageable. Writer's pricing is highly competitive, especially its $9 per month unlimited plan, which offers unlimited generation. This aggressive pricing makes it a very attractive option for individuals and small businesses looking for cost-effective AI writing solutions. Its one-click polish tools like shorten, expand, and rephrase are highly praised for their efficiency, allowing users to quickly refine and improve their content with minimal effort. These features significantly enhance the editing process. However, Rytr can sometimes fall into a repetition loop, requiring aggressive human editing to refine the output and ensure originality. Users often need to provide highly specific prompts to avoid generic content. It also lacks integrated SEO data and has limited AI context, struggling with long-form content beyond a few hundred words. This means it is not ideal for complex SEO strategies or generating extensive articles without significant manual intervention. Rytr is not ideal for advanced SEO agencies, academic researchers, or those seeking fully automated long-form articles. Its limitations in deep research and extensive content generation make it less suitable for these specialized needs. It's also not suited for budget polyglots due to strict language restrictions on its more affordable plans, which limit users to a single language. This can be a significant drawback for those needing to create content in multiple languages frequently. In conclusion, Rytr is not a magic wand for flawless, long-form content, but it offers excellent value as a reliable, affordable, and easy to use writing assistant. It excels in generating short form content and initial drafts efficiently. It acts as a prep cook for content, handling initial drafts and organization, allowing human users to focus on creative editing and adding their unique voice. This collaborative approach maximizes both AI efficiency and human creativity. This video was made using HeyGen. If you'd like to know more about HeyGen, the link to the full review is in the description. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.